Python program models. Multi Multi-quick system, which is collection of multi-quick object used to manage workloads. Here's my code. First, node class. The node class represents a single unit of data within a quick. Each node holds data, the value being stored, in this case a workload. Next, a pointer to the next node in the quick. 2. Quick class. The quick class models a single quick. It uses a linked list structure where each quick consists of nodes linked to each other. Key elements include a front points to the first node in the quick. Total workload. Track the total's workload in the quick for easy comparison with other quicks. Important quick method is empty. Check whether the quick is empty. In quick data, adds a new node with specific data workloads to the end of the remove. Remove the nodes at the front of the quicks and return its data. If the quick is empty, it returns an error message. A method to print out the content of the quick in a human-readable format. Multi-quick class. The multi-queue class manages several quicks and balance the workload among them. Each quick is the system is managed using the following methods. Important methods. Multi methods. Display quicks. Prints the content of each quick. In quick workload out. Add a workload to the quick that has the smallest total workload. Ensure balance distribution. Quick workloads remove the first available workload from any non-empty quick. Main function. The main function serves as the user interface to interact with the system. It allows the user to exit the program. This code implements system where workloads are distributed among multiple quicks and the goal is to balance the workloads. Let's break down the code. Class code. This is my code. We see here this method removes the front node from the quick. If the quick is empty, an error message is printed. Otherwise, the front node temp is removed and front is updated to the next node. If after dequicking becomes empty, rear is also set to none. The total workload is decreased by the value of the data that was decreased. We come now the result. This is the result. We're going to type into choice 1 and then print workload 3 and that's it, the result. That's all the result. Thank you.